In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer a PDF file from your laptop to mobile. This will all be done in a couple of minutes using a free website, and this will be 100% wireless. You won't have to plug your phone in. So here's the PDF I'm going to use. It's just a PDF of different photos. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up a web browser. I've opened up Google Chrome. Now from here, you need to go to a website called WeTransfer. Now, WeTransfer is a free website which allows you to send up to 2 GB for free. So search it on Google and then open their website. Now from here, you need to go ahead and upload your files. So accept all of these terms and conditions and then go ahead and upload your files. To do that, click Add Files and then it will open up this window. From here, you can find your PDF document. So here it is for me. Now, once you've got that PDF document added, you can then add a message. And what you can do is you can go ahead and grab a link to that. So if you click Get a Link, it will then upload that file to WeTransfer. So once that has uploaded, it will then give you a link. Now you can either go and send this link to yourself on something like Messenger or WhatsApp. You just basically need to be able to access this link on your phone. So I'm going to go to my phone now and I'll show you what you need to do. So here I am on my mobile. What I'm going to do now is type in the code from WeTransfer. Again, you could obviously send this to yourself on Messenger or any other communication app. So now I've entered in this URL, we can now click Go. It will then redirect us to WeTransfer where we can agree to these terms. So now you'll see your PDF file. You can now go ahead and click the download arrow, which is going to be the arrow pointing downwards, and it will then start the download. Then click download again in your web browser, and it should then download to your phone. You can then click open in and you can select a location to save it. I'm not going to do that though, it's going to open up my personal files. But yeah, that's how you would do it. You would then save it to your files and that's all you've got to do. So I hope that quick video was helpful and let me know in the comments if it was.